Europe has now recorded its first coronavirus death. Officials in France say a Chinese tourist who tested positive for the virus deteriorated quickly after being admitted to a hospital in January. And the U.S. now says it is preparing to evacuate hundreds of Americans who have been trapped on a cruise ship docked in Japan for almost 2 weeks. Those who've tested positive for coronavirus and those showing symptoms of the virus will not be able to board the aircraft and will remain in Japan for treatment. There are more than 67,000 confirmed cases around the world right now and more than 1,500 deaths. CNN's Melissa Bell is in Paris. So what are we learning about this death?
Frederica, he was an 80-year-old Chinese tourist. He'd been in the hospital in the north of Paris since the 25th of January. And what we're told from French health authorities is that really his situation, the state of his health, deteriorated very rapidly. His daughter is also in that same hospital, but we're told that she is one of those who's going to be allowed to go home. She's going to be let out. She got better. So far in France, 11 cases with 6 people still being treated in hospital. But that is the first death in Europe that's being recorded. It is the first death outside of Asia. So far, Frederica, there had been 3 deaths outside of mainland China, in Hong Kong, in the Philippines and in Japan. And it is really in Japan that we're seeing that very fast increase of the number of those of being found to have the virus. 9 new cases in the country itself today, 67 on that cruise ship that has essentially become a floating quarantine. And one can imagine the horror for the people on there, 3,600 of them trapped on the ship with those new cases being declared. Now, amongst the lucky ones, the 428 Americans who are going to get to go home at last, they're going to be flown back in the next few days to the United States, where they will face 14 more days of quarantine. So the horror for them is not quite over, but still, you can be certain they'll be very relieved to be getting off that ship. So fast progression in Japan, and again, an epidemic that it is very hard to gauge at this stage how much worse it can get. The head of the World Health Organization was speaking in Munich today saying, look, so far countries who had good infrastructure are the ones who've been able to contain it. Imagine if it gets to a country that does not. And he added that it was simply too early to say what trajectory this virus was on. Frederica.